All right, folks. I now have experience using the Piranha Teeth. What do I think? They were fantastic. I'm gonna put video in of us moving dirt. I actually had seen another video of somebody using the Piranha Teeth to grab a tree and pull it out by its roots. It worked. Can you believe it? I couldn't believe it. Anyway, it worked. It worked on some of them. I ended up getting in deeper than I should have. But anyway, here's some video of us using the Piranha Teeth, moving dirt, taking out trees, things along those lines. And if you're considering Piranha or any of those kinds of things, I recommend it. I haven't tried the other brands, so I can't say Piranha is better than anybody else. Expanded Metal, is that the name of their company? But anyway, it did a fantastic job, and I'm glad I bought it. I'm sorry I waited so long to put it on after my wife bought it for me. I didn't even buy it. It was a birthday gift, I believe, and so it worked fantastic. Hope you enjoy the video. I think I'm a little short on this one. Yeah. One more step. All right. Let's see how good we did. Make sure I'm snug one more time before I tighten this down. We're on.
Whiskey boy, what are you hoping to find in that pile? Okay, so I leave him alone for 5 minutes and he decides to take on even a bigger tree. But good, the tree was really ugly. So this is all using the Pirahna Teeth. That's kind of impressive.
All right, folks, that pile of dirt that Judy took some video of when we first started using the Pirahna Teeth, she gone. I'm right over there. Hopefully you can see it. Had some really bad ruts. Had some dips here all the way around this thing. It hadn't been maintained properly. So had to fill in ruts and dips and things that were making it scary to even run the tractor through there. But it all worked really well. So I'm really happy with what we did. It was time consuming. It took me longer to move all that dirt than I expected. My wife Judy told me the same thing. And then my dogs digging up everything I just did. Hey, Whiskey, I put that there for a reason, dog. They got mind of their own, don't they? Anyway, if you saw when we got Whiskey when he was a little pup, he's not a little pup anymore. He's going to turn a year in like the next month, I think. So that's really cool. And maybe he'll end up being a little mellower, maybe not. Anyway, I got sidetracked. My dog sidetracked me. That happens. And so final thoughts on the Pirahna Teeth. I like them. I would do it again. I would make the investment again, and I highly recommend them. And it just makes your tractor just that much better. I'm not saying I couldn't have done it without it. It was easier. Easier is good. Thanks, everybody.